This is the Silent Cry team here in Melbourne, Australia. And actually the people are just leaving right now, and it's been close to 500 to 600 people here at the first run. The film will be also going to start in a bit because we've got a lot of people waiting outside. Therefore, it's been absolutely successful here in Australia. We have a big event back in Perth last week. Here in Melbourne has really broke the silence in totally and fully. But yes, this is the Silent Cry team, and we're going to be heading to Sydney later on. We'll give you more information about buy to donate sections and what's going on in here. So thank you, and Medalla is on the building.
We're doing a petition, and the United Nations said that after we get 1 million petition, they might do something about it. So we got the local people involved, so they can understand the issues, and we need 1 million. So far we're close to it, but we got to go state to state to finish and get everyone involved.
And I thought that the documentary was like a wake-up call. It gave us a chance to actually see that there's suffering in the world, and also made us realize that we can do something about it and instigate change.
I've seen the documentary. It's very shocking. I'm aware of what is going on there since I actually work in a community. It's really ridiculous. This is actually happening. I really appreciate people who actually go out and record this and raise awareness about what's going on there. It's really, I really thank them. I'm also happy to actually contribute and be part of.
Well, I'm Somalian, so it hits me close to home. Basically, from now on, I'm just going to look for organizations I can donate to, like such as the Silent Cry.
There is a lot of things. This is just little compared to what is going on. People they are not aware of it because the government is actually very systematic, so they actually hide what they're doing. So there is a lot of things actually to be revealed to the world.
Okay. People should just unite against this genocide that occurs in the world. Maybe if we all get together and start fundraising, stuff like that, we might put a smile on someone's face.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So for us, is getting more people to the message, and here we had a lot of Genevians, we had a lot of Somalians, we have a lot of other community from the Africans, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Australia, I think people are fantastic, really truly. I think they're close to similarity, personality in the Britain, because I don't know, they have a lot of links here in Australia and back in Britain. I don't know, is it a language and so on, but here, and it's been a fantastic. But I got to say, Silent Cry, anywhere that we have reached so far, the 26 cities, has been absolutely phenomenal, and here in Australia, it's been absolutely big, especially here in Melbourne so far. We've still got Sydney to go though.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I can't play like the others. I can't run around with my younger brothers. I can't even help my own mother. Can we live in peace and relax? I'm a voiceless child who always tries, but sometimes I silently cry.